On the evening of July 27, 2024, Arkansas State Police Trooper Alexandria Duncan pulled over a driver on Interstate 49 in Rogers, Arkansas, after clocking him at 114 miles per hour in heavy traffic.
Get out of the car. Get out. Wait out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Roll over right now.
Why?
Roll over. You're going to jail. Roll over. I'm going to pull the trigger.
Why?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Now. Roll over.
I feel like why?
Roll over.
Why?
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Okay, I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Roll over.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Roll over.
I'm tired.
Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over. Roll over. Going to jail. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over. We're going to jail. Roll over. Roll over.
I'm going to my house.
Roll over.
I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. Everything. No. Why? I need a photo. Why? 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 think why? Why? Into my home. Into my home.
Give me that taser now.
No. Because into my home.
Move, man, move. Move. They shoot you. Stop. Shots fired. Get on your back. Get on your back. Roll over. Give me your hands.
Yeah, well, this might be pretty far out. They haven't tested it really yet. They're probably gonna put them on there.
Away. Away.
Trooper Duncan was treated for non-life-threatening injuries, including abrasions to the left side of her head and her lip. Angel Zapet Alvarado was treated at Mercy Hospital and released to law enforcement. Toxicology results showed a blood alcohol level of 0.16, twice the legal limit, with cannabinoids also present in his system. He was initially charged with battery, resisting arrest, speeding, reckless driving, failure to yield, and driving without a license. His bond was set at $350,000. The Benton County prosecutor determined Trooper Duncan's use of deadly force was consistent with Arkansas law and declined to file charges against her. In September 2024, Zapet Alvarado pleaded guilty to 2 misdemeanors, driving while intoxicated and reckless driving. All remaining charges were dropped. He was sentenced to 58 days in jail, which he had already served, and ordered to complete a drug and alcohol program. Upon release, he was transferred to a federal immigration facility in Louisiana under an active ICE and Homeland Security hold. Deportation proceedings are ongoing. As an undocumented immigrant from Guatemala who is married to a U.S. citizen, his ultimate release or deportation is under the jurisdiction of a federal immigration judge.